Choosing the perfect replacement door for your Auburn Hills home is an important decision that can enhance your property's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. A thoughtfully selected door not only complements your home's design but also provides functionality that suits your lifestyle. With a range of materials, styles, and features available, navigating your options might feel overwhelming. Here's a guide to help you make the right choice for your Auburn Hills home. Understand your needs before diving into the many options available. Start by assessing your needs. Functionality. Do you need a door that provides maximum insulation, enhanced security, or aesthetic appeal? Location. The requirements for an entry door may differ from those for a patio or interior door. Weather resistance. Auburn Hills experiences a mix of seasons, so a door with weather-resistant properties is essential to handle Michigan's changing climate. Consider the material. The material of the door plays a significant role in its durability, maintenance needs, and overall appearance. Here are some popular choices. Wood door offers timeless beauty and a classic aesthetic. Can be customized with intricate designs and finishes. Requires regular maintenance to prevent warping or rotting, especially in areas with high humidity or temperature changes. Fiberglass doors, known for their durability and resistance to dents and scratches. Mimics the look of wood without the maintenance demands. Highly energy efficient and suitable for varying weather conditions. Steel doors provide superior security and strength. Typically more affordable than wood or fiberglass options. Can be prone to dents but offers excellent insulation when properly insulated. Glass door is ideal for patios or modern-style homes. Allows natural light to enter, creating an open and airy feel. Choose double or triple pane glass for energy efficiency and security. Focus on energy efficiency. Energy-efficient doors can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, making them a smart investment for Auburn Hills homeowners. Look for Energy Star certification. Ensures the door meets stringent energy performance standards. Low E glass coatings. Reflects heat to keep your home comfortable year-round. Weather stripping and insulation. Prevents air leaks, ensuring optimal temperature regulation. Match your home's aesthetic. Your door is one of the first things people notice about your home, so it's important to select a style that complements its architecture. Traditional homes. Opt for classic wood doors with raised panels or decorative glass inserts. Modern homes. Choose sleek designs with minimal embellishments and bold colors. Cottage or craftsman styles. Look for doors with rustic finishes, natural wood tones, or charming details like divided light glass. Prioritize security features. Your door is a key component of your home's security. Features to consider include solid core construction, provides better resistance to forced entry. High-quality locks. Opt for a deadbolt lock and consider smart lock technology for added convenience. Impact-resistant glass. If your door includes glass, ensure it is reinforced for security. Measure correctly. The accurate measurements are crucial to ensure your new door fits seamlessly. Work with a professional to measure the height, width, and depth of the door frame. This ensures a proper fit and avoids unnecessary adjustments during installation. Work with a trusted provider. Partnering with a reputable door provider in Auburn Hills ensures you receive expert guidance and high-quality products. Look for companies with positive customer reviews, transparent pricing and warranties, professional installation services to guarantee a hassle-free experience. Don't forget maintenance. Once your replacement door is installed, proper maintenance will prolong its life and keep it looking new. Clean it regularly, check for wear on hinges and seals, and address any issues promptly to avoid costly repairs. Final thoughts. Replacing your door is a valuable investment that enhances the look, comfort, and security of your Auburn Hills home. By considering your needs, prioritizing quality materials, and working with a trusted provider, you can find a door that perfectly suits your style and functional requirements. Take your time to research and consult professionals, and you'll enjoy the benefits of your replacement door for years to come.